Bless up, big up, hail massive, all day, every day. I'm Mr. MT from Make Real Money Tips. Today, I'm going to share 4 tips to use when you can't even pay the minimum requirement on your credit card. Let's get into the video. A minimum payment is the lowest amount you need to pay on your credit card each month to avoid late fees. This amount can be found on your billing statement. The monthly balance can vary depending on the credit card plan and type of card you have. Minimum payments are usually 2 to 5% of your total balance. So if you owe $1,000 on your card, the monthly payment would be around $20 to $50. But what happens if you can't even make the minimum monthly payment on your credit card? There are serious consequences for not paying credit card minimums on time. Paying your credit card bill late is a bad idea. If you don't pay on time, you'll usually have to deal with not only late payment fees but an increase in your interest rate, and worst of all, a significant hit to your credit score. Now, things happen in life that's simply outside of our control. Maybe you lost your job, or had a medical emergency, or had emergency car repairs. You could be in tough times with no emergency fund to hold you over. I'm going to share 4 tips to use when you can't make your credit card minimum payment. But before I get into the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you're alerted each time I post a video, so that you can earn a little extra cash in your pocket. Tip 1. Rework your budget. The credit companies wants to make money off you, plain and simple. The last thing they would want to do is declare bankruptcy. The first thing you should do if you're running out of money is start to work on a plan that can help you get out of trouble. This plan should include how you got into the situation in the first place and how to get back on track. You should call your card company and tell them this in as few words as possible. It's difficult to make changes when you don't have the proper financial plan. If you're serious about recovering, make sure you prepare a realistic budget. When communicating with your credit card company, speak with a personal agent and let them know that the halted payments are only temporary. Provide proof that you have actual plans in place to correct the situation, as this shows them that you are proactive and committed. You can also request a time extension on making payment and a waiver of any late penalties. If you're a customer in good credit standing and always pay on time, the bank is sure to show leniency because they need you to make money. Tip 2. Pay what you have. Paying something is better than paying nothing. Creditors won't like it because it might appear as if you don't care about repaying the credit card, but they will still accept payment. They might call you and try to intimidate you into paying more money for the debt, but pay what you can and ignore the phone calls. You should try to make payments of any size you can afford. You can ask family or friends for a small loan and send the money directly to the card companies. This way you can show that you're taking proactive steps to resolve this situation. When it comes to repaying a loan, something always is better than nothing. Tip 3. Talk to your creditor. It's hard to have sympathy if you won't talk about your situation. As mentioned, card companies want to give you the service that you deserve. They'll try their best to keep you as a customer. So, give them a call. Be courteous and honest when you speak with them. Don't try and turn things around and blame them for harassment. You are the offending party, is the one who didn't pay in the first place. Offer up a plan that sounds encouraging. To avoid being sent to collections, you might want to show them your new budget. Explain to them how soon you'll be able to make the next payment. Be realistic and provide proof. Tell them about any income increases or other cost cuts that have been made. Tip 4. Request debt consolidation. A clever strategy for dealing with credit cards is to transfer your loans to a single low-interest account. Banks typically like this because it locks you in for the next few years, but it's still worth doing if you remember your mistakes of the past. Additionally, some banks ask that you close any credit cards you have. Every month they will take an amount of money from your loan payment to go to a compulsory savings account at the bank. The size of your debt determines how long this will last, typically up to 3 to 7 years. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please ensure to hit that subscribe button for more videos where we talk about financial literacy, making money online, money management, becoming financially free. I'm Mr. MT and I'm out.